And once again, we will need implicit differentiation to find the slope of the curve. Okay, so let me just write the whole thing over here. Like we did before, I would just need to apply ddx to every element here. So I have taking the derivative of x cubed minus 4 times the derivative of yx squared, because we're multiplying, can just whisk out the constant, right? The minus 4, plus the derivative with respect to x of y squared, and that's equal to ddx of 4. Now the derivative of a constant is always just 0. Great. Now, what is the derivative of x cubed? We just bring down the exponent, subtract 1 from it, we just get 3x squared. Now for the derivative of yx squared, we're going to need to use the product rule. So we're going to go ddx of y times x squared plus y times ddx of x squared. Okay? Plus then, now the derivative, so ddx of y squared, what happens here is that we go dy of y squared times dy dx. Right? So we get stuck with the dy dx here, and we can just take the derivative. Oh yeah, and that's the whole thing is equal to 0. The derivative with respect to y of y squared is just 2y. We just bring down the exponent, so we get 2 times y, and subtract 1 from the 2, so just get 1. So 2y times dy dx. And now I'm just going to keep on going over here. Bring down the 3x squared. I can't do anything with that right now. Now, minus 4 times d dx of y is just simply dy dx. And why is that again? Because that's the same thing as d dy of y times dy dx. And the derivative of this, the derivative of y with respect to y is just 1. Right? So 1 times dy dx is just dy dx. Now, times x squared plus. So here we have now y times the derivative of x squared, and the derivative of x squared is just 2x. Great, and there's a plus in between these guys here. What a mess. So now we're getting close, because now what I can do at this point, I can just plug in 0 for x and 2 for y. So let's do that. So I have 3 times x squared, so 0 squared minus 4 times dy dx times 0 squared plus y, which is 2, should have plugged it in already, times 2 times x, which is 0, plus 2y times dy dx. Marvelous. Now we're going to be able to get rid of a bunch of things. And why is that? We're multiplying dy over dx by 0 squared, so that's gone. 2 times 2 times 0, that's also gone. That's just 0. So we got 0 inside here, minus 4, or negative 4 times 0 is 0. So that's, the whole thing's gone. So it's the 3 times 0 squared. How marvelous. So we end up with just 2 times 2 for dy dx equals 0. We want to isolate dy dx. So we just divide both sides of the equation by 4. So the 4 is gone, and we have the answer. C.